Hello everyone, Sam is here from MyForexMagicWave.com, making this a small video to explain the subscription of my website, what it is and how it works. So let's get started. This is my website here. Okay, this is the front page, and this is the current video I made, the weekly recap, trades taken last week, and every trade is posted here, and that's about it. Very simple. Here you can see that previous webinar recordings are here, and before charts which I send out to my subscribers are here. Okay, and these areas are password protected for the subscribers. This is where I have the system, my system and YouTube channel, my MagicWave system explained. Let me just click on it and then show it to you that there is just a video there explaining what is MagicWave system and how it works. If you want to learn in detail about it, and then you just come here on my website and just watch this video here, and the video below it, this is the one that all the trades taken last week, almost 16-17 trades, and explaining why, the reason for the trades taken. This is where the before and after charts for you to look at, and this is the monthly subscription page. So let's go there. What do you get when you subscribe? That you get this system, this whole system. What is the system? Is it just blue and red blue candles and just buy sell signals? No. The system, when I call system, is it has different steps. By the way, this video is old, so the one I'm making right now will be replaced. That will replace this video. Okay. Yeah, these are the items that you get when you subscribe. MagicWave system, of course, you can watch that video and learn what it is. It's like my monthly charts, my weekly charts with all the levels, the bullets, the numbers written there. I give you the templates for those. Then you will attend my webinars, live webinars twice a week, Wednesday and Sunday 4 p.m. where I go over the market, what has happened a couple of days ago and what will happen, and I'll give you the setups, the charts, the before charts, and teach you how I do my analysis and this and that. So that you go. So that is very, very important, at least to know. For example, if you love to trade pound USD, then if there is a setup, then I'll give you the pound USD is doing this, and look for shorts only. And what you do is you go on a 20-minute chart of pound USD and you look for setups like this one, this one, this one to go down. Simple as that. Okay. So that's the MagicWave system, and I give you all the indicators necessary for that. EA alarm, which beeps when the system is ready. So for example, here, all three places that alarm will beep. The alarm will show up here. You add the alarm on the 20-minute chart, and you can go and do your chores, and when the setup is there, the alarm will beep. So you can come and look, and then when you have a reversal candle and a couple of red candles, you can take the short. Okay, so this is what the MagicWave system is. Plus, in my webinars, I talk about how to draw trend lines, all the technical analysis, the Elliott waves, harmonic patterns, this and that. For example, Elliott wave, like the basic patterns, you're gonna learn how for example, this is the one, how it works, how it goes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC. This is basic phenomena. It's keep happening again and again and again. So and how these waves unfold, like 1, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and so on and so forth, and their calculation and how to do this and how to do that. I teach everything. Then you have harmonic patterns, patterns like this one. All of those are bad, butterfly, this, that. And Elliott wave here, you can learn. You will learn that it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC is Elliott wave, but harmonic patterns are within Elliott wave, and where you can find them and how they are formed. 1 and 2 makes this pattern, and then 3 and 4, 5 makes this pattern, and then 5 ABC makes this pattern. So they are all it's like together. Elliott wave and harmonic pattern, basically the same thing in different angles. That's all. Different perception, different way to look at. That's all. Right. So these are the things that you learn in my webinar, and a lot more like how to fix fib tool and how to really use the fib tool. SNR levels, where to get them. SNR levels, for example, my weekly chart. I'll show you now, for example, that this is how I make my weekly charts and monthly charts everything written, all the numbers, the highs and lows. And from these from these charts, we take these numbers, highs and lows, and we draw on our 40-minute or 20-minute charts. For example, Euro USD, see all these 40-minute chart, those horizontal lines, and it says WH 1615 means it's a weekly high of 1615. And you can see that how we got a beautiful entry exactly underneath that, touching this area, and then couple of red candles, you open the trade here and all the way gone. And how we got from a trade from here, how we got a trade from here, how we got, beautiful, perfect, by the book entries off of these levels. Very, very important. Okay, so this is what it's all about. So you're gonna get those charts, everything done for you already. You get the templates, weekly and monthly charts, the alarm EA for this, the indicator to draw these candles, everything, right? Plus you learn Elliott waves and harmonic patterns and all that. So this is basically what it is. So what happened, for example, let me show you that this is the chart I gave out, right? And I said that Aussie dollar is gonna drop, index, individual currency, Aussie. So when Aussie index is dropping, Aussie is gonna get weaker. That means Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, where the Aussie on the right hand side will go up. And the other pairs, for example, Aussie USD and Aussie Yen and Aussie CAD and Aussie anything, where Aussie is on the left hand side, will be going down, right? So I should be taking shorts on all the Aussie pairs except Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. I should be taking long. So I'm going to give you an example, and I'm going to take you here that what I really did, just to show you that Euro Aussie Pound, based on that chart, look, see Aussie USD short, right? Aussie Yen short, and all the Yen pairs are short because the Yen also was getting strong. But I want to show you Pound Aussie long, as I told you that when with the Aussie dollar index, that's what happens. And you will see Aussie USD again, that was short, right? I'm going backward actually. Euro Aussie, you see this was a long, this was a long. It's all because of that one Aussie dollar index weekly chart. Okay, and there was probably another one, Aussie USD, Euro Aussie long, because of that chart, simply, right? And now this chart is CAD, right? I made this chart CAD index, and I said because of this drop, CAD is gonna get weaker, and GC, EC, UC, and AC will go up, and CJ will go down. Means CAD Yen, right? So if you go back and start taking a look here, that the trades that I did, CAD trades, let's see, except CJ, everything will go up, right? And CJ will go down. So do we have any Euro CAD up? Here's the long. See that? All you gotta do is this, and then any other CAD trade, CAD Yen down. See that? As I said in my chart there, buy USD CAD up. Anything CAD will go up, and only CAD Yen will go down, and you just saw the chart. And that's about it. So these are the way. This is how it works. That you already have things in hand. For example, this chart, the weekly. For example, let me show you another one. This is CAD index. This is what happened to that CAD index. You see that it came down, and I took all those trades. Similarly, Yen index supposed to go down, and it did. Yes, and you saw all those Yen pair shorts, right? Similarly, you see New Zealand Yen weekly chart. I had this. Look what happened to this. Boom. 21st by the last Friday, and it's powerfully dropping, so it's going to drop even further, right? And what do we do? Short, short, short. How? This is how. Short, short, short entry everywhere. This is also the short entry, but it didn't touch the yellow line, so but it's still, it's a beautiful chart and beautiful setups. So these are the setups where this magic alarm will beep, and you will know that the setup is made. Okay, so this is how it works. So you get the system, you will learn in my webinar how to use it again and again, and you go on my website and you find all the previous recordings, and you come here if you want to see all the trades. last week, before that, last year, 6 months ago. Everything is here, all the trades. It's not that just happened last week. You can see all, what is it, December 10th, and you keep going to the downside here. Same thing you would see in September. You see all of these trades, all of those, same thing, same setup. Look how beautiful is buy, pound Aussie. Look, sell, buy. Right off of the USD CAD of the level 3062, big level, and you got a beautiful entry from there. And all the trades I'm showing, the trades happening are taking at these levels with the setup, right? It's not that I'm just showing you the setup. It's just the trade we're taking at that. See, look here, buy. This is my trade. This is my SL. Okay, so this is how it is. Hope I clarify everything. It's clear now. And even still, if you have any problem or anything that you don't understand, and if any question, that you can email me at MyForexMagicWave.com, at gmail.com. Sorry, MyForexMagicWave at gmail.com, and I will be glad to answer your questions. And if you want to trade like this, only last week it was like more than 1,000 pips. You can go and count the trades. All right, 17 trades, 16, 17. I was expecting that December would be slow, but no, it's very, very active so far. Maybe this week, this coming week, today is 22nd, so tomorrow is 23rd, and when 24th, 25th is Christmas time, so then, that would be very, very slow week. But January, we're going to start, again, the volatility will come back, the volume will come back, and we will get busy. So this is a good time to get the system, learn, be a part of it, and then start trading the way I just showed you. Okay, so let me go now. I don't want to make this video too long. I hope you understand. Just come in this page and watch the video, and then you can watch the other video on the My Magic IB system to learn about that. Okay, so this is it for now, and this is why it's very important to get the subscription, just to be able to attend my webinars and get the analysis, the chart, the before charts, to know which pair is going where, so that you can take the entries, and you're not gonna be going flip-flop like buy, sell, buy, sell. You're gonna get killed like that. People do that mistake, and Euro USD going up, buy, coming down, sell. No, you have to find out, and you have to know that this pair will go for, it will go up for next 2 weeks. Of course, it will be dipping time to time just to make the long setup. So in those dips, you should avoid going short, because if you know already that this pair is going to continue going to the upside for the next couple of weeks, all you got to do is that whenever it's dropping, just wait and then get in when it's going to the upside. And this is very hard to figure out, and people get killed doing that. So I do this for you. They're like I just showed you the chart for what is it? This is I'm not gonna show everything, but for example, this weekly chart, I'm telling you that it's gonna drop from here to here. It's gonna take a couple of months to go down here, somewhere there, maybe 2 months, 3 months. Just keep short. All you gotta do is New Zealand yen, when it's going up, leave it alone. When it's coming down, short the damn thing. That's it. Okay, and everything else just like that. So this is it for now. Let me go, and thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the weekend, and talk to you soon, hopefully, and see you in my webinars. Bye for now, and have a great day.